this video, we'll talk about the reporting tools in the Wellbeing Index. Reports are the most important part of the Wellbeing Index for your organization. They allow you to see the aggregate results of your participants' assessments and additional information to help get the most from your organization's wellness efforts. There are a couple of different report groupings in your account. The first are distress and well-being reports, which show mean scores and report on high levels of distress. The next are participant engagement reports, which detail how many signups, assessments, and reassessments have occurred for your organization. They also show which resources are being accessed the most. The last section is the advanced reporting area and is available only to those organizations on the Champion Plan. This area allows you to combine data in various ways to drill deeper into the results. The Wellbeing Index reporting tools give your organization insights into how your members are doing and where help is needed.